Hello students, now we will start another chapter, chapter 8, the song from heaven. Basically, this is the name of a song which is written by a priest, and how it is a story how this song was first initiated by the priest, how he end up writing this beautiful song, how it got better in terms of composition and then become popular over the small town and later to the whole world, and has become a custom to sing this song during Christmas time. So basically it is a story, it is a journey, invention and the journey of this song. It is the name of a song. Let's start how it started. So in a small, I hope it's clear. In a small village in Austria, a priest was inspired to write a simple Christmas poem. So this is the synopsis of the chapter. So in Austria there is a priest. Priest matlab pujari, pandit. Here the person who does prayers in the church. So a priest was inspired to write a simple Christmas poem. The poem became a song and the song became a carol. Carol matlab religious song. As in bhajan in Christianity, this is carol. It is called carol, and eventually spread all over the world. Read about how a few lines penned with devotion. Penned with devotions means written with devotions. Brought joy to millions of people and became the most famous Christmas song in the world. So I just told you this is the name of the song. It is the story about this song, how it was invented, how this initiated, and how it became popular and become a custom to be sung in Christmas. Father Joseph Moore sat in his study preparing for the special Christmas service. This year was 1818. So it is the story of 1818, where who invented the song? Father Joseph Moore. He was sitting because Christmas is around the corner and he was preparing for the special day. And on this Christmas Eve, the air was particularly festive. ठीक है? Father Moore opened his Bible to prepare his sermon. Sermon means pravachan. ठीक है? A religious speech. Religious or moral speech is called sermon. And read about that special night when an extraordinary baby was born to ordinary parents in a little manger. Manger meaning manger. A box in a stable or barn from which horses are cattle feed. ठीक है? Basically stable में छोटे से part of the stable, वहां पर एक छोटा सा बच्चा ordinary parents को was born. Just as he had finished reading the story, he heard a knock. A peasant woman stood at the door. So what happened when he was preparing for his speech, sermon, that day, what happened? A baby was born to an ordinary parent, and as soon as he finished his story, somebody knocked. Who knocked on his door? A peasant woman, a laborer woman or a farmer woman. What can I do for you? Father asked the woman. It's not for me, father, but for a baby born a while ago to some peasants. The parents are keen that you see the child and bless it. Father, I have come to take you there. So what happens generally whenever in any religion a baby is born, first thing we do is bless it. The parents will bless, and then the religious person, religious guru or father, pandit, they will come and bless. So what happened? This woman has come to take father to bless the baby. Father Moore was taken by surprise. Taken by surprise meaning he was very much surprised. Surely it would not be a coincidence that he received news of this baby just when he was reading about the birth of a Christ. Right? So why was he surprised? Because the time when he was reading a baby was born. And what he was reading? He was reading about the birth of Christ. And at the same time, at some other place, the baby is also born at the same time. Of course, Father Moore said to the woman, and he agreed that he will come with her. When Father Moore reached the peasant's hut, he saw the young mother cradling her infant lovingly. Cradling means chula jula rahe. What a blessed day this is, father, said the mother, smiling down happily at her baby. Father Moore nodded and said a silent prayer for the infant. So when he entered the room, he saw that the mother was cradling the infant baby, and he took the baby and he silently prayed for him. On his way back home, Father Moore kept replaying the events of the evening in his mind. Replaying matlab he was just just recalling whatever things happened today. So when he was reading, then this news came, then he came to see the infant. So he was just having his own thoughts. He couldn't forget the scene of the infant lying in its mother's arm. All around him, preparations were underway for the midnight mass as the village celebrated the birth of Christ. So it is about, this is the time when on the Christmas Eve. This is what is happening in the Christmas Eve. So you must have known that on the Christmas Eve, a night before Christmas, that is on the 24th December, there is a midnight mass goes on. Okay, where everybody go for mass prayers. Mass means in bulk, in public, midnight. So everybody was preparing because the next day is Christmas. Later that night, Father Moore decided to write down what had happened in his diary. As he started writing, the words seems to have a will of their own. So he felt this is not just a coincidence that the time I was reading about the birth of Christ, and that day that time only I came to know about the birth of a child. So he was little taken away by surprise. So he was writing, and when he started writing, it seems to have a will of their own, means the writing is very smooth. He started getting very nice words, and the writing went very smooth. Quite naturally, his lines flowed into beautiful verses, and the written diary writing has become into a beautiful verses. बहुत अच्छी क्या बन गई? Verses में बन गई. When he finally stopped, Father Moore found that he had composed a poem. So his diary writing, he chooses such word that he ended unknowingly. The diary writing became a full-fledged poem.